Hello, Mike Fitzpatrick here with DealerTrend. What I want to do in this video is show you how to implement ADF formatting for GravityForms. So if you need to send email into your CRM tool within the automotive industry, essentially what you need to do is pass an ADF-XML format into the CRM tool in most cases to be parsed thus by the CRM. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go to this contact us form. I'm going to go to edit first. I'll show you how I set these up, and just to make it a little bit easier for us from a scalability standpoint. In this case, it has a department, so if they want to go to sales department, finance department, service department, whatever it is, and then we're routing the email based off of that choice. Okay, then here's name, email, phone number, dealer name, comments, and then you'll notice these down here, these are all actually hidden fields. Okay, so these aren't fields that a consumer would see. And let's close that out, and you'll see if I go to a preview window, we'll actually preview that form. So it's much more simple, right, than what you saw on the back end. You got name, last name, email, that kind of thing. Okay, the reason I do that is if we go to notifications, go ahead and leave page. Here's my email, the emails to round robin to. So if it's sales, it goes to whatever email we put here, and so on and so forth. But if I go down a little bit, so the notification essentially is, this is my site, and when somebody fills out a lead, I get a notification that somebody has just filled that out, right? So we can format that in a lot of different ways. GravityForms gives you the ability to use merge tags. So what we do is we actually take the ADF XML and kind of the format, and we put it in this section. Actually, let me expand that out so you can see it a little bit better. Okay. So we put it in this section, and then for each of those fields we use a merge tag. Okay, so for example, in this case, if I were to take out first name and last name, and I would end up with just this, I go to my merge tag and I go first name and then last name. Okay, and if I want to put a space in the middle, I can. So now I've got my full name first and last. Depending on how that parses into your system, you may have to turn that around. I did the same thing for email, phone number, and so forth. If you go down here, remember I had dealer name and the phone number, email. These are all unique per dealer. So in our case, because we do this a lot and on a lot of dealers, I actually have done it this way, so nobody has to actually come in here and edit this code. We copy the form to another site and then just change the values in the form editor itself. What I'll do too on this post is actually put the ADF PDF so you can see the full schema for the ADF version. One other thing to note, this header, this is the actual ADF header. If you're using Reynolds and Reynolds as a CRM, or if you're trying to pass a lead into the CRM tool as a Reynolds and Reynolds tool, you'll have to remove that. They actually add that header in their system as opposed to having it pass through, so it can actually break. Maybe something they fixed yet, but we've always had good luck just taking that off. So that's how you add ADF to GravityForms for WordPress. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments, and we'll do our best to get back to you. Have a great one.